This is video sample number 1 of 6 from the DoItYourselfBuilder.com project titled How the Pros Pour Concrete. We'll show you step by step how to complete each stage of this project. Remember, these are just short video samples from the full project titled How the Pros Pour Concrete. To check out the entire video project, go to DoItYourselfBuilder.com.
Right here we're going to be pouring a 12 by 20 patio. We've already moved the deck, as you can see. This is where the old ledger was. We've removed it, and we're going to be putting up the forms so we'll know where the grade will be set. We brought in 3/4 minus. It's sitting in the trailer. We're going to bring it in. And what I'm going to do is basically step by step show you how to set up the forms, level them, and get it ready to pour concrete. And what we need to do is we need to basically make sure that this form is square with the house. So what we will do is pin this on here so we'll be able to swing it. To get this square off the building, what you want to measure out is from the wall, you'll measure out 6 feet and make a mark, which I've made right there. And then from your form over, make another mark at 8 foot, which I've done right here. And then if you measure across between the two, nail in, chalk line or string line, whichever one you want. Go down to the other end, put another nail in. Keep your board nice and straight. And as you move the end of this, you can see that it goes in and out. Board goes in and out. Keep it nice and straight. I'm going to make a mark on the top and the bottom. I'm also going to make a mark on the top of this one, or the top and the bottom. Then we're going to pull those out. Once we pull those out, you can see once this was brought up, the level right in there. We're going to need some places. We're going to need more gravel than others. Yeah, we're about 3.5. And we're going to pull some of this dirt out of here. So I think right now I'm going to tack this in so we kind of know where we're supposed to be. We're going to make sure this form board's straight here. So what I want to do is show you this quick little knot they use for doing concrete. Is you make it in one hand and you take it and you just spin it maybe 10 or 12 times. You got a loop. You take the loop and you slip it over the top of the nail, and then you just pull on it until it keeps going tight. And you pull it back, and then you keep pulling it tighter. Once it's tight, then you can just grab it around the nail, give it tight, and it's on. And it's without pulling a knot. But as you look down this, you'll see that the string line is perfectly straight, but then it's away from the form. So that tells us we need to move the form in. Now we're just going to pull this form over until it lines up with that string. Once it lines up, I always want to make sure these stakes go perfectly in straight.
This has just been a short video sample taken from the doityourselfbuilder.com project titled How the Pros Pour Concrete. To check out the entire full video project, go to doityourselfbuilder.com.